24th problem, CPT examination problem. A sum was invested on simple interest for 3 years. If the rate of interest is 7% higher, 7% is higher than the interest, then, not then, 7% higher, then the interest has been 882 rupees more. Interest more, 882. Interest is increased by 882. Increase is more. More, how much? 882 rupees more they are getting interest. Find the sum. Sum में question mark, P question mark, N 3 years, or interest is more. N alone given, other things not given, N alone. You have to calculate simple interest. Why? Because simple interest is more, 882 rupees. SI is equal to PNI. This is the original interest. They are getting 3 PI. P is not given. I also not given. N alone given. So you are calculating. Now after increase you are going to calculate. Rate paragraph, rate of interest is increased. Increased by 7%. P question mark, N 3 years, or question mark, I is equal to I plus 7%. I is for going to be I plus decimal form, not 7. Before increase I have shown. P I do not know, question mark. R not known, question mark. I not known, question mark. N 3 years. I am calculating SI. Why SI? How SI? After increase of percentage, simple interest is increased by 887 something given. Simple interest increased. Original interest. Rate of interest is increased by 7. Now, % means I is a decimal form. I decimal form means 7% decimal form 0.07. Don't put I plus 7, don't put. Percentages are given, both the percentage we can put. One is IA, decimal form, 0.1, 0.2, so you have to add 7%, percentage decimal form, 7% decimal form, not 7. 2 decimals we can add. 1%, 1 decimal, we cannot add. Principal as it is, interest alone increased, 7% increase, I plus not 7. N is same, principal not changed, principal same. Interest, rate of interest increased. Interest, yes, simple interest increase. New SI minus original SI is equal to $882 more. This is the original SI. This is normal. Nothing is given as it is. So original SI. This is new SI. After increase. After increase of rate of interest. After increase of 7%, simple interest is 882 more. Because of 7% increase, interest is 882 more.